filming for me. So bear with me, won't you? If you come outside and have a look. So there are the settings we've just used. They're the two finished welds with the slag on. The 100% CO2 looks to have slightly more spatter. There was a hiccup at the start where my earth wouldn't go through, but as you can see, I never do joints sat on the bench. Otherwise it's not 2mm lap, is it, if it's sat on a 6mm or 10mm working surface. That's the flux cord settings with +10 inductance. I must admit, I haven't spent a lot of time getting these settings. And there's the 100% CO2 settings. Bit of a wobble there, but perhaps I'm getting old. And what I didn't do, I didn't alter the back to +5 inductance. I left it on 10. So there you go. So you don't always have to use what they say. So end of message.